Hey guys, so I'm learning how to make my grandma's famous bread, and I eat it plain and I bring it to school and people are like, "Are you eating a roll?" And yes, I am. And this is the bread that I'm always eating just randomly in class. So, grandma already had the starter made, and this is the recipe for that right there. And I just put 3/4 cup of white sugar, 3 tablespoons of instant potato flakes, and 1 cup of warm water. And then I stirred it up, and it's been sitting all day long. So now, Grandma just oiled the the bowls. Duh. Grandma just oiled the bowls. And okay, so now I'm stirring what we got here. It smells like apple cider vinegar, Grandma. But it's not in there, right? Why does it smell like that?
Sourdough.
You think it's stirred good?
Stir it up just real good and pour you a cup of that into that.
1 cup
Of starter.
of the starter stuff. That's a lot.
Okay.
Dang. Okay. Where am I putting it? I'm putting it in the mixing bowl.
Now you need half a cup of oil. You can use the same cup.
Okay. Half a cup of oil. Okay. So, apparently during this quarantine, I'm more aware of my surroundings because I'm at my grandma's, right? And I walked past like one of her little cabinets with all the china and stuff in it. And she has a genie bottle, guys. Oh, she has a real life. I'll show you later.
Third a cup of sugar.
Third a cup of sugar. But I was like rubbing it and I was like, Grandma, when did you get a genie? And apparently my cousin brought it back whenever he was deployed. I don't know. So.
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of salt. It's looking not yummy yet.
1 1/2 cups of water. You can use that.
1 1/2 cups of water.
Warm water.
Warm water. Warm. I'll go get the genie bottle. So it's in this thingy. Look. A real life. Here, I'm going to try to grab it. Look at this. So I come out and I'm rubbing it. And I don't know. And this is how you feed it, obviously. Crazy though, right? Oh yeah, look at this knife. It's like made out of crystal. My aunt's boyfriend made that. Anyway, 6 cups of, what is it, flour?
Red flour.
Bread flour. My grandma said it's the same though as normal flour earlier. On the record, just saying. So, this might be a scam. Oh. This is a lot. Do I stir this now, Grandma?
Yeah.
Okay, we're stirring. Wait, we're gonna lock it. We're turning it on low. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, it's all right. Now what?
You put it.
Looks like potatoes.
You put it in one of these.
Put it. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the bowl now. Do I just dump it? Yep.
Okay, now just kind of mash it, turn it like that, and then turn it over. And do it again.
Okay, guys, so now it's the next day, and we're gonna make them into the rolls. So, Grandma's putting the flour on there.
Whoa. Okay, say, get me a pan over here. This is the way I do it. The bottom, it don't matter. Make
Those little things turn into rolls?
Mm-hmm. You bake, fix another one right beside it.
I'm nervous.
You squeeze it off. If you don't get enough, add a little to it.
It's okay if it's bumpy. Because that's what it's gonna be. Look at how bumpy mine is.
Well, I just did my hand. You just roll it around like that.
Okay.
See? There you go. You got it.
Yeah.
You can usually get about 8 in one if you squeeze them up.
Okay.
And it'll get easier.
Just pinching it off. And then you're gonna fold it. Make it look pretty. Grandma.
Well, until they get big enough. That's why I said it.
So, they've risen. 350. We're putting them in for how long, Grandma?
35.
35 minutes. Took it out of the oven. And we put butter on top. And this is what they look like. I didn't realize that you can just dump over the thing and it comes right out. But